Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta with canned tomato sauce. First, gather your simple ingredients. You'll need your preferred pasta, a can of quality crushed or diced tomatoes, some fresh garlic, and good olive oil. Having a large pot for boiling water and a saucepan for the sauce will make the process smooth and enjoyable. This quick guide will help you create a delicious meal with minimal effort. Now, let's get that pasta cooking. Fill a large pot with about 4 quarts of water and add 1 tablespoon of salt. Bring it to a rolling boil before adding 1 pound of your chosen pasta. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. Cook the pasta according to the package instructions, aiming for an al dente texture, which means it's firm to the bite. This usually takes about 8 to 12 minutes. While your pasta cooks, let's prepare the delicious tomato sauce. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a saucepan over medium heat. Add 2 cloves of minced garlic and sauté until fragrant, about 1 minute. Pour in 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. Bring it to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat and let it cook for about 15 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Season with salt and pepper to your liking. Once your pasta is al dente, drain it, but remember to reserve about 1/4 cup of the starchy pasta water. This liquid can help bind the sauce to the pasta if needed. Transfer the drained pasta directly into your simmering tomato sauce. Toss everything together until the pasta is thoroughly coated. Serve immediately, perhaps with a sprinkle of fresh Parmesan cheese. For more great deals and the link to those amazing darn tough socks, check the description below. Enjoy your homemade pasta.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.